Namaste and a very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. I am Anush Kumar. My father name is Mr.Ghulam. I live in Banyapar. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. I want to speak some lines in Hindi. मंजिल थोड़ी कठिन है लेकिन हार नहीं मानूंगा। अजी मंजिल थोड़ी कठिन है लेकिन हार नहीं मानूंगा। इतना तो भरोसा है खुद पर, इस पर बाजी जरूर मानूंगा। Today I am going to deliver a speech on my mother. My mother is not a simple word. In fact, it is a whole universe in itself. My mother is a symbol of love, care and sacrifice. She is the most important person in everyone's life. As for me, my mother is the most precious gift of God for me. Who has the most important person in everyone's life? She is the most important person in everyone's life. She gets up early in the morning. She takes care of everyone in our family. She understands me and helps me to solve my problems. She understands me and helps me to solve my problem. I love my mother so much and I always pray for the God for me. I want to speak some lines in Hindi. कभी कंजूस कहा मुझे मेरे दोस्तों ने जिसने मुझे पैसे बचाते देखा है। अजी कभी कंजूस कहा मुझे मेरे दोस्तों ने जिसने मुझे पैसे बचाते देखा है। मैं अपने घर को देख के चलता हूँ जनाब, मैंने अपने पिताजी को कमाते देखा है। I wind up my speech with a message that it's been a great experience to share my views with you all wonderful people. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.